Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out from your Gmail account. Even if you have a lot of Gmail accounts at the same time, you want to sign out only from one, okay? Let me show you. The first thing you need to do is you go to your browser, okay? It can be your Google Chrome. You go to Gmail or you simply type gmail.com and then you go to your profile icon. And then you see you want to sign out, but there's no option to sign out only from one account. It's sign out of all accounts at the same time. Okay, so let me show you what you can do to sign out only from one. So manage your Google account. Then you can go on devices. And then you can see all your connected devices that are connected to your Gmail. Okay, so let's start with a TV, for example. Sign out. You can do it here. And then you can do Android, sign out. You see there is always the option, and then you can go to your iPhone, sign out. Then, if you try to go to the Windows, your laptop, there is no this option, unfortunately. So let's see what we can do to do so. What you can do is actually, guys, to go and try to sign out from your phone. So to do basically the same thing from either your Android phone or your iPhone. So let me show you.